Hello guys, I am Sunil and welcome to MS classes. So beta, today we are taking a very important topic of class 7th mathematics, exercise 1.4, question number 2nd. So beta, here you have some parts of question number 2nd. Here you have to simplify. Our A part is, I will solve only two part. I am taking first part, this is A, minus 5 minus square bracket begin 1 minus curly bracket begin 9 minus 6 plus 2 small bracket begin 7 into 2 small bracket close curly bracket close then square bracket close. Beta, first of all we have to solve the small bracket. After that we will solve curly bracket and at the end we will solve square bracket, right? So first I am solving this bracket. So this bracket only here. So all the part of your question remain as it is. So this is minus 5 minus square bracket begin 1 minus curly bracket 9 minus 6 plus 2. Better no need to make or take a shortcut. 7 into 2 14 bracket close curly bracket close and then square bracket close. बेटा shortcut नहीं लेना है, only you will solve step by step. अब next step is minus 5 as it is minus square bracket begin minus curly bracket begin 9 minus 6. Now 2 into 14 is equal to 28 and with what sign? Positive sign, plus 28, because 14 positive 14 and plus 2. When you multiply these two, these are equal to 28 and with positive sign, right? Okay beta, now your bracket close and then square bracket close. Next step is, now we have curly bracket. Now we solve the part of this under the curly bracket. Now beta, minus 5 minus square bracket minus, right? So plus 9 and plus 28 is equal to, so this is 7, this is 37. Okay, this is plus 37 curly bracket minus 6 plus 37, again bracket close and square bracket close. Our next step is plus 37 and minus 6. This is equal to plus 31, right? So minus 5 as it is minus square bracket 1 minus, under the bracket we have only plus 31. You can make the small bracket and then square bracket, right beta? You can take any bracket, curly bracket or small bracket, but you need to apply the bracket. Now plus into minus will gives a negative sign. So 1 minus 31 and these are brackets we have minus 5. So minus 5 that is minus bracket begin 1 minus into plus minus. Now minus 31 and plus 1 is equal to, this is minus 30, right? So minus 5 minus 30. This is very important beta. No need to take the shortcut. If you take shortcut then question will wrong. So minus 5 and minus into minus plus, and this is equal to plus 30. So beta, minus 5 plus 30 is equal to 25 and it will be equal to plus 25, and beta this is your answer, plus 25, right? If there is a mistake then you will check. I think there is no any mistake. Sometimes there is mistake at the end of the book. So we have taken all the steps very carefully. So beta, you will watch one video. Minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to what? Minus 1 into plus 1 is equal to what, right? So you have to watch this type of video. Now I am solving one question more. I am taking same question but taking different part. So this is equal to E part beta. Here in E part is equal to 12 minus square bracket 24 plus 10 minus curly bracket small bracket minus 10. If there is a slight mistake of any sign, then your question will wrong. So plus 8 bracket begin 8 minus 2 into 3 plus 6 under the line bracket. This is bar bracket beta. Bracket close, curly bracket close, square bracket close. So this line is the bar bracket. ठीक है, this is bar bracket. Now beta check the sign. Plus 12 minus bracket begin 24 plus 10 minus bracket begin again bracket begin minus 10 plus 4 bracket begin 8 minus 2 into 3 plus 6 bar bracket close, curly bracket close and square bracket close. Beta this is very important part. Again don't take shortcut. This is 24 plus 10 minus curly bracket, then this is minus 10 plus 4 bracket begin 8 minus. Now you have to solve the bar bracket first. So this is equal to 3 to the 6 and 6 and 6 12. Okay, 3 to the 6 and 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So this is equal to 12 beta, and minus sign outside the bracket. Minus sign is outside the bracket. Now your curly bracket will close, right beta? Now 12 minus 24 plus 10 minus curly bracket begin minus 10 plus 4 again bracket start minus 12 plus 8 is equal to minus 4. So this is equal to minus 4 bracket close, curly bracket close, square bracket close, right? Now next step is 12 minus square brackets begin 24. I will tell once more, not take shortcut. 10 minus bracket begin minus 10, okay, minus 10 plus 4 and minus 4 is equal to 16, and with the negative sign beta, this is equal to minus 16. Beta I will take another pen. But I have red pen now. I will write with this pen. Okay, because black pen is going. So this is minus 10 plus into minus minus 4 4s are 16, and your brackets close, square bracket close, right beta? Now 12, this is 24 plus 10 minus 10 and minus 16 is equal to minus 26. Again brackets begin minus 26 bracket close, square bracket close. Again beta 12 minus bracket begin 24 plus 10 minus into minus plus, this is equal to 26, right? Now all of 26, 10 and 24 having the positive sign, so all will add 6 4 10 1. So this is equal to 2 1 3 4 5 and 1 6. This is 60 with a negative sign. So we have 12 minus 60, and 12 minus 60 is equal to, when minus 60 plus 12, the answer is equal to 10 minus 2, this is equal to 8, and 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So with the minus 48. 8. This is equal to minus 48 and this is your answer beta, right? So beta, I will tell you once more, not take shortcut. If you take shortcut, then your question will be wrong, right? It will be wrong if you take the shortcut. So try to solve the question by watching again and again the formula: minus into minus 1, minus into plus 1, minus plus into plus 1 is equal to. I will tell you, when you know the formula of this type, you will solve the sum. What is the answer? If we multiply minus, minus and again minus, right? What is the answer? So when multiply of minus sign with 3 times 1 2 3, then our result is negative. When our multiplication of negative sign with 4 times, if there is one more bracket and then sign, if we have 4 sign with the multiplication number, then it gives a positive 9. Okay, so beta, I hope you have been understand the topic and try to solve the whole exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.